Hariprasad is back with another lecture on soft skills. Topic is human relations in competitive environment. The role of human relations has assumed increased significance both in industry, premises and societal atmosphere outside the company because rapid changes both in terms of changing technology and a sudden transformation of working society into knowledge society. Impact of globalization is a shift from manager to as order giver to manager as facilitator. People reveal their attitudes through their personality. Attitude is a mental position one possesses with regard to a fact, issue, or belief. Good communication is the most important component of sound human relations. Successful leader creates balance between people and productivity. Leader recognizes human relations as the key ingredient transforming organizational plans into organizational results. Effective human relations will lead to success. Human relations apply to both employees and supervisors. Success without good human relations is not possible. Paradigm shift in the human relations both at the workplace and the outdoor atmosphere is because of rapid industrialization and globalization. Effective HR will lead to success. Effective human relations will lead to success. Before closing the episode, I will give you 3 rules for success. 1. Trust your brain. 2. Trust yourself. 3. Trust Hariprasad. You can become winner in life. Thank you. Carpe diem. Hi, friends, students, and educated people in the world. Very important thing I am speaking to you now. See, in the world, the skills are divided into 2 kinds, 2 parts: hard skills and soft skills. Okay, hard skills are academic degrees, textbooks, academic syllabus. These are known as hard skills or soft skills. There are many soft skills. On soft skills, I have given near about 150 lectures in YouTube. 150 lectures on soft skills. What are the soft skills? See, the academic skills called hard skills can take you to the interview level. For passing the interview and coming out of interview successfully and doing the job for next 30 years, soft skills are required. Soft skills are behavioral skills. Soft skills are very important in human life. That's why to the world student community, to the world educated community, what I say, soft skills are very important in life. That is why soft skills one has to learn. I have given 150 soft skills lectures in YouTube. They are all there. So these soft skills lectures were delivered 3 years back, but no viewers. I don't know why See, that is why I am giving this intro today. Please watch all my soft skills lectures. They are available in YouTube. Thank you. Have a nice day.